Oga Sarri and Mourinho, now welcome. As it be now, it be like North London white too.
For your tiny mind, your home record against Arsenal still dey gidigba.
Now my wife them be now. Now so it's supposed to be. I go everly them mumu Arsenal, come rain, come shine. As far as say na my house them come, na knocking get them 247 any day, anytime.
Oga Sarri, what do you think about that match?
I don dey talk am. Say as long as those world-class duo defenders play, forget am. Na comedy defending we go dey watch. As I see their back line, I start dey laugh. Arsenal suppose sell those two boys, but the problem na say, who go even buy? Na only Arsenal dey buy those kind defenders. Na why Chelsea sell Loez give Arsenal. Even Plateau United no go buy any of those two world-class defenders. But apart from those two boys, e get another boy, abeg Mourinho. You remember that boy name?
Which boy?
That one wey assist Bruce Lee Jr., aka Son of Man.
It's supposed to be color something.
Whether na kola nut seed, abi na seed kola nut, that one no concern me. But that boy no suppose dey play football. Make him go UFC or WWE. Na those sports go fit am. Shebi na him rescue Ozil from those robbers one time like that.
Na him oh.
I fit bet say that boy go beat McGregor sef.
Oga Mourinho, what do you get to talk about Man United 2-2 draw?
If I talk something now, this idiot go start to tell me nonsense.
Oh, so you know.
But I go still talk. You see that match, ba? It be like say Chelsea sponsor go Abaraba Shrine to make sure say Man U and Leicester no win. You know say it get time where the two teams been the lead. Chelsea drop to 4th. But before you say Jack Robinson, Chelsea go just enter 3rd position again. Now the power of Abaraba Shrine be that.
Oga Sarri, in one sentence, describe wetin go happen for Arsenal match against Liverpool.
Na exam at the right where you go dey ask me this kind question. Anyways, my brain still get oil. As long as our world-class defense duo still dey there, na more of the same we go dey see.